daughter has been getting into gender reveal videos lately, which gave me an idea to do a video about potential decorations for gender reveal parties, especially after I saw these pots that, you know, kind of springtime, but when I looked at them, I thought, oh, you know, that's the colors of the gender reveal parties that I've been seeing. So I figured, why not put together some decorations for them. So I thought I'd make one with pinks and blues, and then one with blue and one with pink in it. So that's what we're going to do today. Typically in any arrangement, I do like to use elephant bush. I think elephant bush is really pretty. So we're going to add some elephant bush to the back of this one. I'm going to use clippings as well as rooted plants. There we go. Because I want to put in certain things, and some of them happen to be cuttings for me, and some of them happen to be rooted. So typically have a lot of elephant bush, but it's great really just for any arrangement. I love how it looks, so that's my go-to. It's basically like my baby's breath of succulent arrangements. It's elephant bush. I'm gonna do more work of that. And I can put the clippings directly in it because I'm not going to water it for a while. So as long as you're not going to do that, if you have things you can put clippings of, feel free to go ahead and do that. And I'm going to take off this roll. Should I take? Yeah, we'll leave it on. Because we only just need it right in there. Elephant bush also propagates really well. So, roots fairly quickly. Alright, so I think that looks pretty. So I do have a few really big ones, so I'm wondering where they should go. I do have a couple of Echeveria that I've been wanting to replant. One is more blue, and the other is more pink color. So I'm going to trim this one up a little, maybe this leaf down here. And you're just going to twist those off. And remember, every leaf that you take off can also be a potentially propagated one. Alright, so I feel like this one's a really good size. I'm wondering if I should put it in this one though. Let's see. I'm gonna put this blue one. Let me just show you the pink one here. It has this beautiful pink one also. And it happens to have some little babies growing along the side. So let's set this one here. So we'll have our blues and our pinks, and then we'll see the other ones that we can include. Okay, so we'll have this one here now, which I think is a good, better spot for it. And then I also had a little Topsy Turvy that I thought would go perfectly in this one. Those are three really pretty blue ones. And of course, if you set them out in the sun, the Topsy Turvy and the Opalina would get more pinkish too. So, you know, really they could be used for any theme. And the little baby. I don't even know if you'd be able to see it, but you know, that's always an option to include in there too. So we're gonna add some kalanchoe to the back of this one to give it a little bit more height. You can see in my more pink arrangement, they're mostly, or a few of them at least, are greens with pinks around the edges. If you do put them in more sunlight, those pinks and reds will really pop. Of course, you can, you know, put an entirely pink. There's plenty of entirely pink succulents that you could put in them, but I tend to like a mix of the green with the pink around the edges and then entirely pink ones. I'll put a list of pink and blue succulents down in the description for anyone I'll add a few more, but this is basically what they look like. And here is the finished products. So you can see this one has some more blues in there. You can go with ones that are, even bluer depending on what you like. This one has some more pinks and the green with the pinks around the edges. And then some little baby ones in the front there. I wanted to include a baby in each of the smaller ones. And then this larger one that has the big pink and blue ones. I did also want to show you an example of something you could use as a favor. A baby plant still attached to a leaf, kind of like a pregnant plant. If you have a lot of time, you can also grow these yourself. I would say about, you need at least a month to have the leaves and then be able to grow the babies. Probably 6 weeks would be a little bit better. So if you just got a bunch of healthy, kind of chunky, chubby leaves, you can set them out on soil and then grow your own favors, and then just get the pots, find them on sale somewhere, wrap a ribbon around them, and then you have little babies for everyone to grow.
Subscribe to learn more with us.